I know that an informative video seems very boring to watch, but this is what helps us in our nearby future to save our sweat, to save our hard-earned money. This is the sole purpose of the ongoing consumer awareness series, and we have completed 3 videos of it. If you haven't watched the 3 videos of the consumer awareness series, do watch it from the I button above. This is the 4th video, that is part 3B, and this is the continuation of the video in which we have discussed how to identify whether a website is fake or genuine. I will be adding more points in this video, and take into consideration both the video, we can easily determine whether a website is fake or genuine. In the first video, we have discussed how we fall into online scams. In second video, the types in which hackers target us through social media scams or through internet, and when we fall into it, we easily fall into it actually. When the person is not aware of such types, easily falls into it and thereby loses lots of money, actually in thousands, or actually also in it can be in lakhs. So it is very necessary that we must be aware of all those types if we aren't aware of the same. Welcome you all to the channel Naman Runwal. Recently I have also made a video in which we have mentioned that our channel name and logo has been changed, and also thanks to all who have supported us till now. So going forward, we need to look at whether a website has a contact us button. We always say that all those websites which are genuine, which are professionally built, has a contact us option with various social media links, with email, with number. This is very basic requirement, but this is one of the most important requirement through which we can determine whether a website is fake or genuine, because a fake website will always hesitate to give its contact if it's genuine contact. Also, just seeing that it has a contact us is not enough for us. We also need to look into it. We need to go to the links mentioned therein. Also, we need to see whether an email is properly drafted or not. The mail ID, it's not that something there should be anonymous or a general email ID is given which is not relevant to a particular website. The email ID should be somewhat relatable to the website therein, to the business therein provided. Also go to the all the social media links, for example Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram link, whether actually those links have something in them or they are just for the showing off purpose. So this is very important aspect that we need to consider. After contact us, we need to check whether it has secure payment gateway. That is, we have various secured by Paytm, PayPal, PayU, Razorpay, and these are various trusted platforms, and the website which accepts the payment, that is, it sells goods or services and accept payment, must compulsorily mandatorily have these secure payment gateway in order to build a trust for its consumer. And after that, we also need to check whether it has any trusted seal into it, as I mentioned, has depicted in the particular image. And it is not just enough that it has a particular seal into it. We can also click on that particular seal to check its detail and whether all those details are genuine or not. After checking this whether the website has secure payment gateway, then we need to have a look at its English language. A professionally built website, a genuine website, will never compromise on its language. It will be professionally built, professionally designed, and will not have unnecessary spelling mistakes, grammatical mistakes. You have seen in all those articles and blogs or whatever all the websites we have, they are very professionally built English, and none of the website we can find that there are unnecessary mistakes in the language provided or in the articles they have been written. So always check that. Or if various ads, various websites which are new, which you are skeptical about, has some improper English or various grammatical mistakes which you never see on the other professionally built website, then it is a red signal that it's not a genuine website. So after paying attention to the language it has, the next thing we need to take into consideration is that don't go to various websites which provide unnecessary discounts, huge discounts. For example, Apple iPad is provided at $20, 80% discount. I'm just giving a particular example. If they are providing such a huge discount, never go to such websites, because 99% they are fake websites, because it can't be. Even you know that. No one does a business to be in a loss unnecessarily, put himself into loss by providing such 80% discounts on various branded items, and also always look for into the same thing before purchasing anything from such website. Last but not least point is very important point to keep in mind for all the shopping website, e-commerce website and various other website who sells goods, whether it has any shipping or shipping and return policy. We need to check that whether it has shipping and return policy and refund policy, because a genuine website will always have such policies for all its customer to get trust of the customer, and in case customer experiences any negligence from their end, they have the refund or they have the return policy to cater to that particular negligence which has been taken place from their side. So also check this point. So to sum up, all these 10 points need to be taken into consideration. These are very important points, and if you feel that this knowledge is very important and everyone should have this knowledge with them so that they never fall into online scams and should not lose their money, do share this video with all. Also, we have a platform of Ghar Baithe Shopping which was just founded 5 months ago, wherein we regularly give updates regarding what all scams are being taking place, and we prevent you in advance so that you don't fall into such scams. We also provide all the best deals, genuine deals only from the trusted websites, by filtering out the reviews, by filtering out ratings, by filtering out what is actually whether the discount is real, genuine, or just they have inflated the price and they provided discount. All these considerations we are taking place, and only after all this test we post deals, we give you online updates, we give you online scams, and these are our services all free of cost. Just you need to join and stay in our group and enjoy all our services. We also have various service platform, feedback platform, through which we constantly connect with you and take your feedbacks, reviews, so that we can constantly improve and make Ghar Baithe Shopping GBS a bigger brand. Thanks a lot for if you are till here, if you have watched us till here. I'm very thankful to you all, and I hope this knowledge helps you all. Do comment your views, like the video if you think it works. Also, if you're liking the content of the channel, do subscribe and press the notification bell icon. And also wait for the next video, which is gonna be very important to all of us, whether it be online shoppers or the offline shoppers, that is physical shoppers. Very important to all of us, wherein I will explain you various provisions of the recent Consumer Protection Act 2019, which has been enacted and which made consumer as a king. This is very important that we know all the provisions of it, and I will try to cover all those provisions in either 1 or 2 video. If the video goes very lengthy, I will convert it into 2 videos. And so stay tuned for that video, so that you never lose our money and you always stay alert, stay safe, and always put knowledge a priority in your life. Thank you.